Chapter 9: Solid, Liquid and Gas.
Matter. We see many things around us which have different shapes, colors, and sizes. They all have mass and occupy space. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called a matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Two or more atoms combine to form a molecule. Atoms and molecules are so small that we cannot see them with naked eyes. All things around us, whether living or non-living, are made up of matter. For example, air is made up of molecules of different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. The molecules are held together due to attractive forces. Three states of matter. Matter is made up of small particles called molecules. The state of a matter depends on the arrangement of its particles. Matter can exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid.
Solids cannot be pressed easily as they are hard.
This is because in solids, molecules are tightly packed with very little space between them. These molecules have a strong force of attraction, and this gives a definite shape
To the solid.
For example, the shape of a mobile phone will remain the same while
It is
in a pocket or on a table. Other examples of solids are book, sugar, pencil, brick, etc. Solids have a fixed shape and fixed volume, but we can change the shape of some solids after applying force. For example, a plastic bottle changes its shape when pressed. Liquid. Molecules in a liquid are less tightly packed and have more spaces between them as compared to solids. The force of attraction between the molecules is lesser as compared to solids. Due to this, liquids can flow and also take shape of the container in which they are poured. Examples of liquids are water, milk, oil, juice, blood, etc. Liquids have a fixed volume, do not have a fixed shape, and can flow. So, we cannot hold water in our hands as it will flow out. Gas. Gas has loosely packed molecules with large spaces between them. The molecules spread out and move freely to fill an available space because of weak force of attraction between them. Examples include oxygen, nitrogen, vapor, carbon dioxide, steam, etc. Gases have no fixed shape, no fixed volume, and flow more easily than liquids. We cannot hold smoke in our hands due to these properties of a gas. Change in state of matter. The states of matter are not always constant. They can be changed. The solids can turn into liquids and gases. Similarly, gases and liquids can also be changed into different states by heating or cooling. One state of matter can be changed into another. When ice, solid, changes into water, liquid, on heating, the process is called melting. When water, liquid, changes into ice, solid, on cooling, the process is called freezing. When water, liquid, changes into vapor, gas, on heating, the process is called evaporation. When vapor, gas, changes into water, liquid, on cooling, the process is called condensation. In some cases, solids directly turn into gas. This process is called sublimation. Solution. A solution is a mixture of two or more substances. In a solution, one substance completely dissolves into another substance. Take a glass of water and a spoon of sugar. Mix them together using a spoon. We find that the sugar disappears after some time. This happens because sugar, solid, dissolves in the water, liquid, to form a sweet solution. The liquid in which the solid dissolves is called a solvent. For example, in this case, water is the solvent. The solid that dissolves in the liquid is called the solute. For example, in this case, sugar is the solute. The solvent and the solute together form the solution.